Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the steps in the research stage of the inquiry cycle. So in this stage, as you guys already know, it follows the problem formulation stage. And this is after you've understood what the inquiry question is asking. So the setup in the classroom is you have blue pockets hanging on the wall that has a bunch of sources to choose from, and a black pockets hanging on the wall that has a bunch of source analysis tools to choose from. So to begin, you would choose a source from the blue pockets. It could be any source that you want. Obviously, it's important that you use as many of them as possible, if not all of them. So once you've chosen the source that you want to analyze, you choose a source analysis tool from the black pockets. Okay. So now for this step, it's important for you to choose the one that will work best with that source. And it usually takes trial and error to figure out which source analysis tool works best with the type of source that you are analyzing. And it's okay if you figure this out in a few runs, but there should be some that you go to because you've tried it in the past, but I also encourage you to use ones that you haven't used before. And if you are having a difficult time doing that, you should ask your peers about which source analysis tool works for them. So after you've chosen the source analysis tool, that is when you analyze a source using the tool. A lot of these tools, as you guys know, are organizers or that has questions that guides your analysis. So it's important that you take your time to complete the analysis tool so that you could get as much information from that source as possible, so that you can hopefully understand the topic better. Once you've analyzed the source using the analysis tool, the next step is to find evidence from the source that addresses the inquiry question. You are basically going back to the source, looking for evidence that proves one side or another, that either supports your initial thoughts or goes against it, and you basically highlight or underline the textual evidence from that source. So once you've done that, you then record the evidence. You use the research organizer that is in the inquiry cycle packet that you are given at the beginning of the unit, and this is where you record the textual evidence. Okay, there's a separate video tutorial that walks you through how to do that better. Okay. Alright, so after you've done that, you then go back to the blue pockets and choose another source and then repeat the process again. Okay, so to help you understand the steps and guide you towards the steps, you also have this checklist available. It's basically the same thing that is in this flow chart, but this will be given to you in paper form if you need it. There will always be additional ones near the sources and the source analysis tools for you to use to guide you through the steps. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial was helpful, and watch it as much or as little as you want to. I'll see you in class, and see you later.